The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Wilkesboro to 7 miles southwest of Salisbury to 14 miles southeast of downtown Concord, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Moxville, Spencer, Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Bermuda Run, Coralimi, Faith, Harmony, and High Rock Lake. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a...
So, Rowan County for Rowan County, North Carolina. I mean, for this being a Texas speech voice, pronunciations aren't always perfect.